Welcome to our tutorial on the Views Wizard. First, I'm going to create a drawing document. Start, Mechanical Design, choose Drafting. Or you can select File, New, Drawing, and click OK. A dialog window opens called New Drawing. Here you choose the engineering standard, the paper format, the orientation, and click OK. Before we begin, we need to be able to see both the part and drawing documents. Select Window, Tile vertically, or horizontally, whichever you prefer. Next, in the View toolbar, Shift and toggle to change direction. We'll select the View Wizard. You can also find the View Wizard by selecting Insert, Views, Wizard, and the View Wizard. The View Wizard dialog window opens, and as you can see, we're in step 1 of 2. From the left side, we can choose from some predefined configurations. If we want to remove a view from the preview, simply right-click it and delete it. Here we can activate or deactivate projection views linked to the main view. Here we can set the minimum distance between each view. Next. Here we can add additional views to our drawing, or we can delete them with a right-click and select Delete. OK, click Finish. Next, we need to select the face, plane, surface, etc. In the information corner, CATIA prompts us to make a selection, and I'll select this face. Now I move my mouse around and I can see the various views. By selecting these arrows, I can rotate the view. Right-clicking on an arrow allows me to change the rotating step. Cancel. Once we finalize our preview, we click in any free space to finalize the drawing. In the specification tree, we see the front view is currently active. By the way, press F3 to open and close the specification tree. A handy shortcut. OK, our front view is surrounded by a red dashed line. Here we have editable text. Let's cancel the close. I can grab the dashed line, and that allows me to move the views at the same time. Or I can grab each view separately and drag them where I need them to be. As you can see, I can only move each view in certain directions. That's because all 3 views are linked to the front view. Now I'll right-click on Sheet 1 and choose Properties. Here we can change the name. We can change the scale. Let's enter a value of 0.5. Tab, Apply. OK, as you see, the scale has changed. Let's change it back. We also have options to edit the paper format, the orientation, projection method. Your choice here will depend on your specific standard. We can change the properties of the individual views as well. Right-click, Properties. We see a number of similar options. OK. And this concludes our tutorial on the View Wizard.